I don't know about you, but I think that shrimp fried rice is definitely goated. And oh, yes, today I'll be teaching you how I made this very simple and delicious one after craving it for so long, but getting disappointed when I ordered some from a few restaurants. Okay, so let's do this. So here I have my cleaned shrimps. I've removed the shells. I'm going to go ahead and season it with some salt and powdered pepper. That's it, okay? And then mix everything together so every ingredient is well combined with the shrimp. And then I'm going to leave it or set it aside and wait for about 10 minutes before I go ahead with my fried rice. So you don't need a lot of time for this to marinate, okay? Also to become too salty. So in goes my oil in my pan, and then I'm going to fry my shrimps. So I'm doing this on high heat, and because the shrimps will go back into the fried rice later, I'm not going to fry it thoroughly. But the way you can notice that your shrimps are cooking is that they begin to coil up. So as you can see, that's what it's doing at the moment. So once it's done, so I fried this for about 10 minutes, and then I'll take it off the fire and then continue with the rest of my cooking. In the meantime, if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi, and welcome to my kitchen taste and bloom. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. So, in the same saucepan, I'm going to scramble my eggs. So, yes, I know I said shrimp fried rice, but I'm Ghanaian one, and also I can't do without eggs in my fried rice, okay? So, I'm going to scramble some eggs, and as always, I'll make sure the eggs are not thoroughly cooked because they're going to go back into my fried rice later on, okay? So, as you can see, I'm taking my eggs out and then I'll go ahead with my fried rice. So bear in mind, I already have cooked rice on the side. Okay. So I'm going in with some minced garlic and ginger, and then I'll sweat it a bit for about 2 minutes, and then I'll go in with some chopped onions. I want to take this opportunity to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers. You guys have been amazing on this journey. You keep me going, seriously. So please give me a thumbs up on this video and let's keep this family growing. Next, I went in with some carrots. So at this point, you can add any vegetables of your choice. Personally, I don't do much with vegetables when it comes to fried rice. Thankfully, I was going to eat this alone. Yes, you heard me, alone. So I was free to add any of the vegetables I wanted, but I decided to go for carrots and then green bell peppers, okay? And then I seasoned with a bit of chicken seasoning and then stir fried this for a bit. We're not looking to make this soft entirely, so I'll say give it 5 minutes tops, and then I'll go ahead and add in my cooked rice. So with my rice, I cooked it with some curry powder the previous day and then put it in the fridge. So as you can see, it's very yellow. Yes. But one thing I also did is to bring it out of the fridge before I started the cooking. So this was at room temperature when I was adding it to the vegetables. Okay. So I'm going to give this a good mix. As I always say, it's fried rice. So please fry the rice properly. At this point, you can leave the fried rice this way, okay? But I wanted to dim the color a bit so that it doesn't come across as curry rice. You get? So I added a bit of oyster sauce and dark soy sauce, so that reduced the yellow color a bit, and then it was perfect for me, okay? So like I said, fry this properly till you are tired, okay? And once it was done, I added my shrimps and my eggs back into the rice, and my goodness, I couldn't wait to dig in because I was so hungry at this point. Like I said earlier, this was just mine, like mine only. So imagine my enjoyment with some chilled cook be like that. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this very simple shrimp fried rice recipe. And let me also know if you're willing to try it, okay? I know shrimps are expensive in Ghana, but trust me, this will be so worth your money, okay? Give me a thumbs up on this video. Leave a comments down below like I mentioned earlier. Share when you are done watching. And also subscribe if you haven't already. And trust me, this was good. So until I see you again in another video, please don't forget to keep blooming.